Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I wanted to use Tarte's new BU palette from their Sugar Rush collection. This palette is so pretty and you can do so many different looks with it, but if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with a shade called Be Loving. The names are on the back of the palette, so I'm going to go ahead and insert pictures. That way you can see what color I'm using without having to flip back and forth. So this is going to be my transition shade, so I'm placing it right above my crease, blending it up, just building it until it's the color I want. Then I always take a clean fluffy brush and make sure there are no harsh lines. For my crease, I'm using the shade called Be Creative. I'm also going to place this along my lower lash line, and before I got started with my eyeshadow, I did line my lower waterline with a black eyeliner like I do anytime I do eyeshadow. And as you can see, I do already have a full face of makeup, and I will link my face routine down below in the description bar. Next, I'm using the shade Be a Boss, placing this all over my lid using a flat eyeshadow brush. Whenever you use a dense flat brush like this, it's going to pack on the most product. To deepen up the look a little bit, I'm going to use the shade Be Fab and place it on the outer corner of my lid, taking it up into the crease a little bit, and then I'm going to take it and buff it along the outer corner of my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going in with my all-time favorite mascara, which is Man Eater by Tarte. I love this mascara so much because it's triple black pigment, so it makes it dramatic without having to do 10 layers of it. And with the brush, it really gets in there and separates so it doesn't get clumpy. And to finish off the look for lips, I'm using the Rachel Zoe and Lorac Ginger Blonde lipstick. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.